Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel sodobida.com. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video will be uploaded. Today's topic is what can we do after SSC examinations? Every student has a confusion in their mind what they can do after SSC or 10th class examinations. Either go for intermediate or diploma or ITI. If their financial status is low, they have to work for part-time and select a course according to their location. In this video, we are just going to discuss about different courses or options available after your 10th class. After watching this video, if you have any doubts, you can ask us through WhatsApp. We will be definitely answering you. For time being, we are leaving our WhatsApp number here. This is our WhatsApp number 9014227490. At the end of this video, you will be aware of options available for you after your SSC examinations, and you will be able to decide which course or group you have to join and a brief idea about your future. Now let us start. Before proceeding further, we request you to carry pen and a paper because you have to make a water flow diagram like this. Suppose if you are selecting diploma here, now write diploma here, and in the next slide what are the different options available for diploma, we will be discussing that. Then you have to write that one. Again, in that any other sub branch is available for that one. We are going to make a full water flow diagram for that, so it will be easy for you. There are several options for HSC, diploma, and what are the jobs available after SSC, and you can do ITI and others also. We will be discussing briefly about all these four topics. Now, firstly, we are going to discuss about intermediate. We have intermediate in four main streams, that is science, commerce, arts, and vocational. Now, if you have selected intermediate in your first slide, there will be intermediate. Now, suppose you are going for science, write down science here. Now, in science, which group you have to select? Because in science we have MPC and BPC. We will be discussing that later on. Now we are going to discuss about science, commerce, arts, and vocational step by step. If you selected science, now in science we have two main streams, that is PCM and PCB, popularly known as MPC and BPC. If you select this one, you can become engineer. If you select this one, you can become doctor. By selecting PCM, not only you can do engineering, you can go for BSc and several other branches further. If you select BPC, you can do pharmacy, BDS, various other options we will be discussing in next slide. Now, if you select PCM for B Pharmacy, if you select PCM or PCB, both are eligible for B Pharmacy. Now we will be discussing about commerce. Now, if you look at commerce, that is civics, economics, and commerce. This group is preferred if you are interested in accounts and several other related topics. Now, MEC combined of science and commerce. If you are interested to do chartered accountants. If you want to become CA, then select MEC. This is the best group for your CA. Either with CEC or even with MPC, you can do CA. Now, moving further, if you go for arts, there is one group, that is HEC. If you want to become civil servant, this group is advisable for you. When you start your preparation for civil services, already 3 topics of your civil services syllabus you have completed. Remember, you can go for civil services with any branch. You just need a bachelor's degree for civil services examinations. That is, I am talking about IAS and IPS, IFS, and several other services. Now, if we go for vocational, this is a professional course, least opted course after 10th class, because this course is joined by only few students every year and colleges are also very less. Now we are going to discuss our main topic, that is diploma. When we say diploma, things come to our mind is mechanical, electrical and civil. 20 many other courses offered by the colleges for in their diploma. This is regular diploma and this is professional. Let us discuss both. See, this is diploma in mechanical engineering, civil and electrical. These three are common for you. Now we are coming to plastic mold technology, CPET. If you want to join in this diploma course, you have to attend JEE, which is a national level examination, or there is one more option. Every year they conduct their own examinations, that is CPET JEE. You have to attend that one. If you clear that one, you will be getting admission into this. Diploma in plastic technology is offered by same institute. You have to attend their CPET JEE examination. Now coming to agriculture engineering, in our Telugu states, Acharya NG Ranga and PJTS AU Telangana both are offering these diploma courses in agriculture engineering. There is a good career options available if you do this one. Now coming to professional diploma, this is diploma in fashion design. We have several other professional diploma courses like DF Tech, diploma in film technology and diploma in HD. These are several professional courses. If you want a separate video on this topic, you can comment below. We'll be definitely making that video on this professional diploma courses and several other 20 options available in diploma and how to join them. In ITI, there are mainly 5 to 6 popular trades: machinist, turner, fitter, diesel mechanic, electrical, automobile. These are the popular trades available in ITI. Machinist and turner are available only in government institutes and other trades are available in private ITI. And other option available is your own business. But we don't suggest your own business after your SSC because you are not still matured enough to be manage a business. Moving further, after 10th class, job. Already we know that there is a huge competition for jobs in our nation. Even for clerks examinations, PhD holders are applying. So there is no chance of getting a government job after your SSC examinations. Even if you get a job after your SSC examination, that will be a clerk or attender or driver job. Not more than that. So we are not advising job after your. We request you, if you need any further information, you can comment below how to join the different courses. If you know any other new courses, you can comment below. We'll search and we'll get information for you. We are also making a video on what to do after your intermediate. See, we have just listed few options because the video should not become lengthy. Now, if you want a video on any particular topic, like suppose how to join agriculture engineering or how to join professional diplomas or else how to join diploma in plastic technology provided by CPET, that is Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology. You can comment below to make the videos on those topics. These are the not only options available after your SSC examinations. We just try to give you a brief idea, a blueprint of the courses available after your SSC examinations. Now we are going to make a separate video for each and every topic. If you need that topic, comment that topic in a comment section. We will be definitely giving you a reply. If you have any doubts also, you can comment below. We'll be definitely giving you advice. One more thing is that in these days, students are lacking motivation. So we have made a motivational video for that. We have given a link to that in our description. You can watch, or else you can go to our playlist and go to motivational. You can watch that video. It's a very awesome video. The title is Dad and His Dreams, a motivational. Even you can search it YouTube and get that video. Thanks for watching. Please comment below for any further information. Thank you.